Okay, hang on, let me switch cameras. I don't know what I just did. There we go. Okay, this video won't be seen for a few days because I got to get some more of these. And anybody that's watching it will know who this is for, because this one's gonna be done in white with black and gray, well, black and silver. So first thing I got to do, because I don't have enough white in here, is I got to add some more white, because I'm going to do a white base, and then I'm going to try to make some fur on him. We'll see. I don't know how it's going to turn out. So here is the last of the resin that I mixed up from the other two projects. Okay, I need, what I use is, for cells, is I use the Rustoleum gloss white. It's oil based, so with the oil in there, I think that's what makes it, makes the other stuff sell up, which is fine by me. I didn't get it all open all the way. And I don't need that much white in there, and I don't want to dirty. That stick's already got resin on it, so okay. Now I'm just going to mix this in. I'm going to close this before I forget, because I have a tendency to knock things over. And I got white paint all over my gloves. That is not good. Oh. Okay, let me just give this a tap to close it. Get you over there. Now, you want to make sure it's mixed in really good, which means you need to get the clear resin that's down at the bottom mixed in with the paint, so you want to stir it quite a bit. These are left over from the other one, and I don't think is that a shadow, or no, that's not a shadow. I thought that was a shadow. It might be a thumbprint from my glove. Okay, now I saw somebody doing one the other day, and his was a unicorn. He was doing for his granddaughter. So I don't think I'm going to do the unicorn yet. I have a unicorn for my granddaughter too. Or I may not have an, well, I'll have some silver left. You never want to waste your resin. Okay, now I got my alcohol rag. I want to clean my fingers off before I go spreading this around. I want to make sure I don't have any black or silver on my glove, because you can see by the mess on my table that I've already been working with these colors. I may have put too much on here, I don't know. But I'm just going to do, I'm going to try to do a little bit black up here by the ear, but then I'm probably just going to do black and silver lines up and down, maybe this way a little bit on the foot. I mean, it's going to be an abstract color combination, but I want to try to get it as close as I can. And I don't have a picture of this little guy up for me to match. Okay, so I'm going to put some black up here, because I'm going to try to bring that down. I'm going to do just a teeny tiny bit of black right here on the nose. Now, okay, first I need to get rid of air bubbles. I didn't realize that. I got a ton of those in there. I've already blown my dust boogers out because this gun's been on for quite a while today. Okay, there we go. I got rid of the dust bubbles. The dust boogers. I popped the bubbles and the dust boogers are out of the gun. But I will post this after I have sent her her gift. Because if I post it, I got too many people from the fam that watch me that I know she would know before she got it. So, because I got 3 more little ones I'm going to order. Okay, now I want to get a little bit of the silver in there. Okay, now first thing I do want to do is I want to try to swipe that ear down. So let me see if I can get it to swipe a little bit. And his nose looks a little bit too big. Now, the rest of it, I'm just going to blow it out. Pomeranians have a curved tail, so that's why I made sure I curved that right there. He's more white than anything, so I didn't want to get too much of the color on there. Yeah, I tried this on another, I tried it on the tile first and I wasn't happy with it. So I saw somebody doing something else, a couple of people doing some odd shapes like this, so my God, this looks like him. Okay. I don't want to do too much blowing. I did lose his ear. So let me put a little bit back up here. And a tiny bit on the nose. Okay. Okay. He is done. You know, being part of the family, I feel like he's the family mascot, so I wanted to make her this. But now she's getting another puppy, and there's 2 other puppies, so I gotta see what the colors are of those. And there he is. Let me see. Oh, shoot. I got way too much glare. White stuff just doesn't work on these cameras. I don't know what that is right there, but I'll get rid of it. Okay, well, I want to thank y'all for watching. Let me put him in the dust-free zone so I can take my gloves off in a minute. I want to thank y'all for watching. By the time this video uploads, she will already have it in her hands. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'm looking for my molds because I've got... Okay, where are my molds? Oh, diddly dee. No, I don't watch Gone with the Wind that much. Okay, let me stop the camera so I can try to find my stupid molds that are hiding on me. So thank y'all for watching. I love the resin right out of you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.